Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aha, a series about instant noodles. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button below to encourage and support me. Let's get into the video. First thing what we're going to do is we're going to pre-cook those noodles. So we have taken a pan and we have added 2 cups of water, and we're going to allow this water to come to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we will add 2 packets of instant noodles and cook it for 1 minute. Once the noodles is cooked, we will drain the water and keep the cooked noodles aside. Preheat a pan and add 5 grams of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, add 2 beaten eggs and scramble it. Add half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix it and set it aside. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil to a pan. Once the oil is warm, add half a teaspoon of garlic chopped, half teaspoon of ginger chopped, 1 teaspoon of chopped onions, half a teaspoon of chopped capsicum, some chopped mushrooms, and stir it. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add 2 boiled eggs chopped and stir it. Now add the scrambled egg that we prepared earlier and mix it well. Add 2 sachets of the instant noodle seasoning and mix it. Now add the pre-cooked noodles, teaspoon of soy sauce, and mix it well. Your egg noodles is ready. Hope you love this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.